leave you with something especially for the ladies.
Thank you very much indeed, Bert. That's number 18, Bert Flange. And last but by no means least, ladies and gentlemen, is number 19, Ivor Biggin from Mill Hill. Ivor comes in a shapely 43, 43, 43. His ambition is to be a straight actor. His favourite spectator sport is football. In his spare time, he likes to meet unusual people. His favourite holiday resort is Greece. And his favourite day wear is the casual look. That, then, is Ivor. So, you're Ivor Biggin from Mill Hill.
No. I'm Ivor Mill from Biggin Hill.
Well, I'm sure what all the girls would like to know is, are you married?
Yes, I am married and I have 15 children.
And what's your hobby?
Flying my kite.
What do you think about all this men's lib?
Well, I wouldn't go as far as like burning my jockstrap or anything like that, you know. But I do think we ought to be more equal. Me, myself, personally, that's what I think myself.
Yes. Well, now, if you won the £1,000, what would you do with it?
Well, I should like to help people who are worse off than what I am. I mean, I should like to help unmarried fathers. And I'd like to start an institute for destitute property speculators.
Well, that's really splendid. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you, Ivor Biggin. That's number... Yes, that's all. Thank you. That's number 19, Ivor Biggin from Mill Hill. Well, here we are, ladies and gentlemen, as always on these occasions, the people with the most difficult decision to make are the judges. And I believe we have it here. Thank you very much indeed. And as is traditional, ladies and gentlemen, we shall announce the results in reverse order. Number 3 is number 6, Fred Chuff from Dalton Abbott. Number 2, ladies and gentlemen, is number 23, Ted Drunge from Chipping Sodbury. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we've all been waiting for. Mr. TV Times 1974. And the winner is number 19, Ivor Biggin from Mill Hill. Well, ladies and gentlemen, last year's winner won a fabulous month's holiday in the Bahamas with Miss Dream Girl. And he's here tonight to crown our new Mr. TV Times. Here he is, 19-year-old Claude Bottom. And now, Mr. TV Times, your press awaits.
Thank you, sis. Thank you, Auntie. Thank you, Joan. Thank you, Jamie.
It's all moody.